Hi friends! In today's video, I'm going to show you what we got for our monthly grocery haul. We did get everything from Sam's Club and Walmart. I like watching grocery haul to see what other people got cause sometimes I get tired of buying the same thing over and over, so I want to try something new. We did this shopping haul back in November, so you will see my Halloween decor while I'm putting them away. I work a whole lot in November, so I didn't get to edit this fast enough to put it out for that month, and I wasn't gonna upload this anymore, but hey, it's still a grocery haul, so I decided to just put it out anyway, and you guys seem to like this kind of video anyway. If you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Selle. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one. My contents are all about cleaning motivations and home organizations. I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel. If you like the kind of videos I make, you will definitely make my day. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and tuning in. You are the best and I really do appreciate you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so I know that you like it and I will make more. We are a family of 3 and we do our grocery shopping every month. I don't normally buy a lot of produce because I tend to forget them and they get bad before I use them. So I just buy them when I need them. Be mindful, I have a deep freezer, so we do have more meats and other proteins in there. That's why you wouldn't see a lot in here. We just refill them as we use them up. Let's start on this side. We did pick up this 1 case of Gatorade. This is for my son. He drinks this, and then we also pick up this Nesquik chocolate milk. It's really a good deal to buy bulk at Sam's instead of buying like 8 or 12 pieces at Walmart. I love Cheetos, so we pick up a couple of these Cheetos Puff, and then we also grab the crunchy ones. Back here, we got this 5 cheese bacon mac and cheese. My husband and my son loves those for like super easy dinner. And then this beef patros is my favorite dinner of all time. I mean, my favorite instant dinner of all time because all you need to do is put in the microwave for like 12 minutes and then cook some mashed potato and you have some really good, fast and easy dinner, guys. Here at the front, I wanted to try these potato fries, so I pick it up. And then we got these marshmallows because we've been drinking a lot of hot cocoa and we want marshmallow in them. I pick up these croissant because I like to eat them for breakfast before I go to work. And then my coworker had me try this soft baked Belvita cake, or I'm not sure if it's cake or bread, but it was good, guys. Behind the Belvita is the Pop-Tarts. We pick up this deli meat, which is oven roasted turkey and Black Forest ham for my son because when he has school, he eats those for lunch. Then if you've seen my other grocery haul, I will link it in the description box below. If you haven't, you can check it out after watching this one. We do like soups in this house, so we always grab some more because we always finish them. Our favorite is the creamy chicken noodle. I pick up this Wilson cheese for my son, and then he'd never tried this poppin' chicken before and I want him to try it, so I pick up a couple of it. And then I got this yakisoba. I eat this for snack. My husband likes crackers, so we got this better cheddar and he eats this in like one sit. He loves those. And then I grabbed my favorite ice cream of all time. This is the Dulce de Leche Häagen-Dazs. I think that's how you say it. And yeah, I love this one. I only pick up one because I have the strawberry in the refrigerator or the freezer right now. And then here we got ground beef. Yes, we get the big ones. This is the 3-pounder, and like I told you guys before, we do love taco salad in this house. We always make them like once a week at least, so that's why we have a lot of those. I got some mushrooms over here. I pick up this lemon juice, and then I also grab a couple of the zucchini. I'm in the mood for stir-fry vegetables, so I'm gonna make that. We got some white bread, and this cinnamon raisin bread is really delicious for toast. And then I got chili powder and the strawberry jelly. We also pick up a couple bags of this bacon. We love bacon in this house. And then behind it, we pick up the sweet potato fries. I've never tried this before, and that was just delicious the first time I saw it, so I grab it. And then I've never tried this chicken carbonara before. We always try to pick up something we've never tried before, see how we like it, especially if it's something that we can cook really fast and make a really fast but really good dinner. Then behind here, we got a couple dozens of eggs. Actually, it's like 18 times 4 because we do like eggs in this house. We eat eggs like it's nothing. I boil eggs. My son loves boiled eggs for breakfast. And then behind on that, I got a couple of these family meal dinners. It's garlic and pasta. We love those, super easy. And then behind here, a bunch of Pringles. If you guys have been following me for a while or have been subscribed to my channel for a while, you know we love our soups, we love our Pringles. And then back here, my husband is into these chewy dips. So we grab another package of those. I think it's a little too sweet, but I still eat it anyway. It's an easy snack. And then behind here, I got this fruit snack for my son. I couldn't reach behind here, so I'm just gonna walk around and show you guys what we have here. And here we have this Crave double chocolate cereal. This is like the only cereal I eat besides the granola cereal. And then my husband is craving for cereal, so he grabbed these crunch berries. He said it reminds him of his childhood, so we pick it up so he could have cereal, because like I said, he doesn't really eat cereal, so he doesn't really have any cereal at home. And then here I grabbed these instant mashed potatoes. I've been in the mood for mashed potatoes, but I don't really like to cook the potatoes because I want something super easy and it tastes fine. So here I also pick up this frozen salmon. I love salmon. I just grill it really quick and then finish it in the oven, and it's delicious. I grab these popsicles over here. This has like quotation or jokes on the stick, so it's really cool. And then behind here, I got this big tub of ice cream. It's Neapolitan. It's strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla. That's for my son. Here we got our favorite, the croissant, sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwich. This is super easy breakfast, guys. If you don't have time and you need to go, just heat one of these in the microwave for like 1.5 minutes and you'll have really good and really delicious breakfast. Here we got Coffee Mate. This is the only creamer I put in my coffee. I do not like any milk in my coffee at all. And then I got this whole milk for my son for his cereal. He's been eating a lot of cereal in the morning, so I got that because we've been running out of milk. And then I also pick up this lactate milk. This is the only milk I drink that would not give me stomach ache at all, so I always make sure I have that at home. And let's walk all the way over here. We got this Pepsi or soda. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. I know it's a lot, but I don't know, for whatever reason, this has always been out of stock at my Walmart or the one that's close to my house and the Sam's Club. I don't know why, but we like to stock up with that every time we see them, and then for the next month we just kind of like cut back if we still have a lot. And yeah, we just don't want to run out, and that's the only soda that my husband drinks, so we always buy Pepsi. Here I just want to throw a little clip of me putting everything away after the grocery. This is like what I do every time we do grocery shopping. I just try to rush and put everything away, especially the cold items because they need to stay cold. I don't want to leave them out for too long because I don't want them to be out of temperature. Any cold items, guys, never leave them out for too long because you don't want to get sick, because that's what happens when you leave cold food out of the temperature for too long. It could like produce bacteria and you can get sick for that, and you don't want that, especially with all this COVID going around. So that's what I'm doing here. And if you like this, if you like watching me putting everything away, just let me know in the comment down below, or give this video a thumbs up so I know, and I'll make sure to do this again on my future grocery haul.
I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Oh, the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want it, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it bright.
I hope you found something new from this video to try for your next grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed and find this helpful. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to a friend. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate your time, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!